Bhoi College celebrated its 40th Foundation Day today, honoring the late R.I. Masharing, the college's founding principal, on his death anniversary. The event, held on campus, featured cultural performances by students and was attended by Nongpo MLA Meral Siem, who was the chief guest, along with the E.C. Benny, principal of Bhoi College faculty and students. Siem lauded Masharing's pivotal role in the college's development and expressed hope that his legacy will continue to inspire the institution.
Contribution kepada